Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you read in the title above, today it came a snowstorm, part 2. So let's begin the video. Okay, so you guys, it's snowing again. And not only, it just now started, but they said, the weather channels and stuff, has said that we're supposed to be getting up to 6 to 8 inches of snow. No. There is no way. Okay, so for some reason, it's like sticking to the roads more than it is the grass. I think because nobody's really actually like, you know, driving today. But I wanted to show you what it looked like outside. So you can tell that it just started, but it is snowing. And see, the roads are covered. But that's what it looks like outside for right now. I'm still not ready for this. So I'll probably give you updates throughout the day to see if the snow has actually picked up or like however many, like if you can tell a big difference. So the next clip should be probably here in a few hours. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes later and the snow has completely picked up. You cannot even see the grass anymore. And it looks completely like this is like a complete different day, but it's actually the same day, but it has completely covered everything. And they actually upped the inches of how much we're supposed to get. So we're actually supposed to get 10 to 15 inches of snow, which is like wonderful. Not really. But I'll do a little time lapse so you guys can see it. Alright, so I have the window open. I don't know if you guys can hear the snow hitting everything, but I'm going to do a little time lapse so you guys can actually hear it. So, here we go. Alright, so it's been about another 45 minutes actually. And the scraper just came up the road and scraped the roads, but you can't really even tell because it's just snowing so much. But I'll just show you guys what it looks like. So as you can tell, they barely scraped, but anyway. That's what it looks like. I think listening to the snow when it falls and hits, it really sounds really cool. So I'll let you guys hear it again, what it sounds like. But I don't think you can really hear like what it really sounds like in person, but it sounds really, really cool. All right, so it's been about 4.5, 5 hours later, and it has snowed and it's been sleeting, and there's a lot more inches of snow outside. There's probably about 4 or 5 inches of snow outside right now. So I'm gonna just let you guys see what it looks like outside. So here we go. So the sun is actually shining just a little bit now, but it is snowing just a little bit more. The roads are still covered, so like it's just completely covered. So if you can see it, the snow is completely covered. It showed it in the clip before this. All right, guys, if you cannot hear, it's actually slating right now. Like, look. It was hitting the window. It's really coming down. I don't know what that is on the table. It's like hitting the window and stuff. Whoa, it did work this time. But it is just like really sleeting, and it's hitting my window and stuff. But that's another update. I'm actually having to film in front of my window because it's actually brighter than my studio light and it's not actually blinding me. So there should be a video. I think it might be released after this video, but if it hasn't, it'll be us playing in the snow. So if it hasn't been released yet, stay tuned for that. It should be the next video after this one. But I think that's everything that I'm just going to film in this video today. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My Instagram page is linked in the description down below. This is the second snowstorm, and again, we're supposed to be getting up to 15 inches of snow. That's a lot. They actually changed it from 6 to 8. I don't know if I mentioned that. I think I did, but it was 6 to 8. Now it's 10 to 15. But I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!